Tragic news also coming in this morning of ace choreographer Saroj Khan passing away due to cardiac arrest. She was 71 years old and was admitted in a Bandra hospital. Her COVID test had been negative. Remember, she was admitted with breathing difficulties, but they did conduct a COVID test which was negative. She wasn't well for a while and was admitted in a hospital at Bandra for breathing-related issues. Late last night, her condition deteriorated and unfortunately she passed away. Saroj Khan had a 40-year-long career in Bollywood. She started as a child artist, choreographed more than 2,000 songs. She's also received a lot of laurels for her work. Saroj Khan is the recipient of the most national film awards for best choreography for films like Devdas, Sringaram, Jab We Met. She also won 8 Filmfare Best Choreographer awards. Pankaj is joining us with more details on this. Pankaj, a lot of tributes pouring in for Saroj Khan. You know, she was synonymous with choreography in Bollywood. So many of the songs that she choreographed went on to really become legends in a sense in the industry. She was a mentor to so many actors also.
Oh, absolutely. There's no doubt about it. And as I was mentioning, the Bollywood legends like Shri Devi and Madhuri Dixit on various forums have said that their dance numbers were a hit. People remember their dance moves. It was only because the work and the effort that was put in by the legendary dance director, that was Saroj Khan. Now, Akshita, let me apprise you with the latest. We managed to have a word with the family members of Saroj Khan, and they maintained that she had breathing problems, and that was the reason why she had been admitted at the Guru Nanak Hospital in Bandra ever since 20th of last month. And it was cardiac arrest, which took her life away, and a COVID test. As many apprehensions was also being raised that was this a COVID death. So it's been confirmed that tests were conducted by the hospital staff with regards to COVID, but it was not a COVID death. The family members have informed that late last night her conditions deteriorated, and then she suffered a big cardiac arrest, which led to her death. Now, the last rites have already been performed at the suburban area of Malad. And the family members perhaps felt that she being a legendary dance director and that she would draw many people from the Bollywood fraternity and others as well. But because of the current situation, the current COVID crisis, the family members felt best that the last rite should be performed at the earliest. And what we are hearing right now, that the last rites have already been performed in the suburban area of Malad. So this comes as a huge shock to one and all, especially this year, Akshita, after Irfan Khan, Rishi Kapoor and Sushant Singh Rajput's death. Now another big Bollywood legend is no more with us. And these are early morning hours, but rich tributes are already pouring in on social media. We just saw how Bollywood actress Nimrat Kaur paid rich tributes when she said that it was Saroj Khan who introduced the name choreography to her. But I'm sure as the day passes by, as this news sinks in, many more Bollywood personalities would be coming out and they'll be narrating stories about her. And as you rightly pointed out, Saroj Khan had a big Bollywood career. And until recently, till about 2019, she was still choreographing for films. So as she herself used to say that there is no life beyond dance. She had many shows that she was doing as well. So a very rich life. I remember the 90s when she was hugely associated with the likes of Shri Devi and Madhuri Dixit as well. The great Bollywood Madhuri Dixit's number Ek Do Teen was choreographed by her. So this is going to come as a huge shock, not just to the Bollywood fraternity, but to the millions and millions of fans across the globe. Many youngsters, were a big fan of her style of dancing that she has introduced introduced. There were many programs on TV that the youngsters used to look after. Many used to follow her dance moves. So this will come as a huge shock. But as far as the technicalities go, the hospital staff tells us that her conditions deteriorated late last night. Okay. She was diabetic. She was being taken care of ever since the 20th of last month. But last night, suddenly her condition deteriorated and she died of cardiac arrest.
All right, Pankaj, thank you for getting us all those details. Rich tributes pouring in from Bollywood for this legendary choreographer Saroj Khan, who passed away late last night due to cardiac arrest.
Hi everyone, Preeti Chaudhary here. Hope you like this video. For latest news and analysis, like and subscribe to the India Today YouTube channel. And don't forget to press the bell icon to stay updated. Thank you for watching.